Buongiorno amici, buongiorno. Hi guys, hi to all our friends from Italy. Together we are in Malcesine, the beautiful town of Malcesine in the north part of Lago di Garda. Look how beautiful it is, guys. Today it's a sunny day, not very warm. We are in July and it's so nice. We arrived here by bicycle, me and Leonardo. We are having a tour by bicycle on the Lago di Garda, and right now we are visiting Malcesine. So nice, the town, so relaxing, beautiful, lot of shops, a lot of people, very very nice. So with this video let's go around, see the streets of the center, and then we will come back here on the harbor of Malcesine. Andiamo amici, let's go and discover Malcesine all together. Andiamo. Here now we are entering in the town of Malcesine, the pedestrian area of Malcesine. It's almost 12 o'clock in the morning, full of people already, because the town is very nice. Shops, restaurants, bars, gelateria, a lot of gelateria, and you will really like it.
We actually got full-on motor as well.
Just looking for lunch.
Oh, you were looking for lunch? Oh doch, gerade, guck mal, hier ist es. Das für euch? Wie bitte? Ja, 1, 2, 3. evitare chiamate a te.
Andiamo di là. Vedi che andiamo di là, eh?
Oh yeah, yeah. One more over.
到时候再给你买一辆，我们还没旅游还没有结束，到时候你买过来可以。
Wow, so nice. The town of Malcesine, and in front of us the town of Limone. So you see the town of Malcesine, not very big but so nice, beautiful streets, having lunch or dinner in front of the lake. It's so a nice experience to do when you are here.
Aber die waren aus dem WE auch zur Pizza.
qui c'è il porto, vieni. And here in the center, right in the center of Malcesine, you can even rent a boat. 1 hour you will pay €8 and you will get a boat like this to go around, for example from here to Limone and to come back. It's a boat for I think 6 or 7 people. Let's check. Look, 1 hour €8, 2 hours 140, 3 hours 200, all including insurance and gasoline. You see, a boat like this. Wow, bello bello Malcesine, guys, so nice. And then here you have the office where you can buy your ticket to go around the lake. For example, from Malcesine you can go to everywhere. You can go to Limone, you can go to Sirmione, Desenzano, whatever you want. For example, from here to Desenzano it takes about 2 hours by boat, and you can even bring your bicycle on the boat. So now it's lunch time, a lot of people already sitting in the restaurant. It's 12 o'clock and you can decide whether you have lunch in front of the lake or in the center of Malcesine.
Deinen Hut aufsetzen, oder?
Here we are back on the harbor of Malcesine. So you walked around the town in a few minutes. There is also the castle of Malcesine that you can visit when you are here, or you can just walk around and enjoy the atmosphere of the town. Wow, bellissimo. So, grazie a tutti amici, thank you so much for sending your comments, your likes, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more and more videos of Italy, of Garda Lake, and for many other towns and cities around the beautiful Italy. Ciao ciao!